Double-hung windows are a popular choice for their classic style, smooth operation, and easy ventilation control. With two operable sashes that slide up and down, they offer flexibility and timeless appeal. Like any part of your home, however, they require regular care to maintain performance and appearance. For homeowners in Rockford, proper maintenance of double-hung windows helps ensure long-lasting comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Keep the glass clean. For maximum light, clean windows do more than improve your view. They enhance natural light throughout your home. Double-hung windows often feature tilt-in sashes that make cleaning easier from inside. Rockford homeowners should periodically wipe down both the interior and exterior glass with a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner. Regular cleaning prevents buildup of dirt, pollen, and debris that can dull the glass and reduce brightness. Inspect and clean the tracks. The tracks allow the sashes to move smoothly up and down. Over time, dust and debris can collect in these areas. In Rockford homes, seasonal changes may also introduce small particles into window tracks. Gently vacuuming or wiping the tracks keeps operation smooth and prevents unnecessary wear on the moving parts. Check weather stripping and seals. Weather stripping plays a key role in preventing drafts. Rockford homeowners should inspect the seals around their double-hung windows at least once a year. Look for signs of wear, cracking, or gaps. If weather stripping appears damaged, replacing it promptly helps maintain energy efficiency and indoor comfort. Test smooth operation. Windows should open, close, and lock without resistance. If your double-hung windows in Rockford feel stiff or uneven, it may indicate buildup in the tracks or minor alignment issues. Addressing small operational concerns early can prevent larger performance problems over time. Maintain the window frames. Frames contribute to both appearance and durability. Depending on the frame material, Rockford homeowners should clean and inspect them regularly. Vinyl frames can be wiped down with mild soap and water, while other materials may require periodic inspection for signs of wear. Keeping frames clean helps preserve their finish and structural integrity. Inspect locks and hardware. Secure locking mechanisms are essential for both safety and proper sealing. Check that the locks on your Rockford double-hung windows engage fully and hold the sashes tightly together. If hardware feels loose, tightening or adjusting it helps maintain a secure fit. Watch for condensation. Occasional condensation can occur during seasonal changes, but persistent moisture between panes may signal seal issues. Rockford homeowners should monitor their windows for signs of trapped condensation, as this may require professional evaluation. Protect against seasonal changes. Temperature fluctuations can affect window performance. In Rockford, it's helpful to perform maintenance checks before extreme seasonal shifts. Ensuring that windows are properly sealed and operating smoothly prepares your home for both warmer and cooler months. Schedule professional inspections when needed. While regular maintenance can be handled by homeowners, occasional professional inspections provide added peace of mind. An expert can identify subtle issues and ensure your double-hung windows continue performing efficiently in your Rockford home. Long-term care for lasting performance. Double-hung windows are designed for durability, but consistent care helps maximize their lifespan. For homeowners in Rockford, maintaining clean glass, clear tracks, secure seals, and smooth operation ensures these windows continue to enhance comfort and curb appeal. With simple, routine attention, your double-hung windows can remain a reliable and attractive feature of your home for many years to come.